Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode I'm going to show you how to log into TD Bank. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. TD Bank is an American national bank and subsidiary of the Canadian multinational Toronto-Dominion Bank. TD Bank is the 7th largest U.S. bank by deposits and the 8th largest bank in the United States by total assets resulting from many mergers and acquisitions. To log into TD Bank, go open a web browser. As soon as you do that, type in www.td.com and press the enter on your keyboard. This is the official website of TD Bank. In order to log into personal account, click on the personal option on the top toolbar. Similarly, you can try out other options as well for a small business account. Click on Small Business. For commercial, click on Commercial, and for your investing account, click on Investing. Once you open any options, the first thing you'll need to do in order to log in is to click on the Login button, and it will take you to a next page where you can enter your credentials. In order to log in, enter your username in the first text field, or you can use an access card name. If you want to type in any kind of description, which is an optional, you can click on this link and type in any description you'd want. On the next text field, type in the password for your account. After you've typed in the password correct, you can click on the login button, but if you want to stay signed in the particular device, then click on Remember Me, but make sure to uncheck this box if you are using a public device or a shared device. In case you forgot your username, then you can click on Forgot Your Username or Password link. The same goes for the password as well. For a password, click on the same link and follow the instructions. After clicking on the login button, you will be logged into a TD Bank account in no time. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.